Ram was quick to right the wrong that was removing the V8 engine from its half-ton trucks. I'm no Hurricane hater, mind you, the straight-six engine delivers fantastic power in a lighter package compared to the V8 options. But there's something about the sound and fury that only a good V8 can deliver. Once the V8 returned to the normal Ram 1500, there was little doubt that a TRX version would be far behind. Ram delivered on that promise, and the reborn TRX arrives packing an eye-watering 777 horsepower. The truck also features a price tag that undercuts its only rival by an incredibly large margin. The 2027 Ram 1500 TRX SRT signifies an aggressive return to form for the Stellantis performance division. The Hellcat pickup truck has returned, and it's meaner than ever before. For the first time ever, the SRT badge finds a home on the TRX. The performance division, which used to focus on street capability, has returned with a mission centered on overall performance. The drag strip still matters. But now so does a dirt road, or, for my purposes behind the wheel of the new TRX, a purpose-built dirt racetrack next to the legendary Red Bud motocross course in Buchanan, Michigan. As riders prep for a weekend filled with massive jumps and lots of noise, I sit in the cabin of the 2027 TRX staring down a set of jumps as well. Ram built a course for us to sample the new truck, including a few fun corners, some whoops, a small jump that kicks the truck up nicely, and a 100-foot tabletop jump for a dash of added spice. There's little doubt the TRX can handle this improvised dirt circuit, but I still need to see it for myself. Climbing into the truck's cabin, you're greeted by Ram's best-in-class interior. There's a 12.3-inch gauge cluster display behind the steering wheel, a massive 14.5-inch center screen running Uconnect 5, and then an extremely helpful 10.0-inch HUD floating off the nose of the truck. I say extremely helpful because the middle jump in the 3-jump course needs to be hit at no more than 45 miles per hour. If you go quicker, you're going to put the truck on a path where that front skid plate will meet the earth. I saw a few journalists inadvertently test this theory, and to the truck's credit, the TRX shrugged off the hit and kept on ripping. Ram keeps the formula familiar for past TRX owners. Bilstein Blackhawk E2 adaptive shocks keep on-road manners comfortable, but can take all sorts of punishment when the tarmac disappears. Ram quotes 13.0 inches of axle travel and 14.0 inches out back. You pair that with a massive set of Goodyear Wrangler 35-inch tires, progressive jounce control, and a 5-link setup in the back, and you have a truck built to get rowdy. On road, the TRX serves up a delightfully cushy ride. Rolling down the highway at speed, the cabin remains fairly quiet despite the 35-inch tires and mega motor under the hood. There's a fair amount of steering heft around town, but that's not a major surprise considering the running gear at play here. You could put the truck in sport to firm things up further, but why bother? Keep the TRX comfortable and let the Bilsteins and the Goodyears sort things out. Or, find some dirt, select Baja mode and let the fun begin. I hit the prepared course multiple times, each time pushing the TRX just a bit harder. Clearing a 100-foot tabletop jump feels more comfortable than hitting speed bumps in your local Trader Joe's parking lot. The recipe for success on this dirt course is simple: get the TRX to rotate through the corners, don't overspeed for the steep jump, and mash the throttle everywhere else. The whine of the Supercharger will tell you that you're doing it right. The 6.2-liter V8 mill making all of that racket pairs with a 2.4-liter supercharger. It's the Hellcat motor, and in the TRX it delivers 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Using the launch control system, Ram quotes a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.5 seconds. Keep your foot pegged, and you'll hit the fuel cutoff, capping your top speed at 118 miles per hour. That's a best-in-class figure, by the way. At least until the Rumbly arrives. There's a rumor that if Ram removed the fuel cutoff, the TRX could reach 150 miles per hour. But the tires are only rated to 118 miles per hour. Good luck finding a DOT-legal 35-inch all-terrain tire rated for more. Clearing a 100-foot tabletop jump feels more comfortable than hitting speed bumps in your local Trader Joe's parking lot. And you don't really need to, since this TRX puts up a serious fight against the Ford Raptor R. The TRX gets to 60 quicker, has more power on tap, and costs significantly less. Sure, the Raptor R gets larger 37-inch tires and weighs a few pounds less, but I'm not sure that equates to a $12,000 higher starting price. The 2027 Ram TRX comes fairly fully equipped out of the box. You can add a panoramic moonroof if you want, along with a few dealer add-ons here and there. Otherwise, the $102,790 starting price includes everything you'd want. Should you desire a TRX with even more in-your-face styling, however, you can plunk down an extra $9,995 for the Bloodshot Night Edition. I don't believe that the unique paintwork, wheels, and carbon trim bits are really worth the extra dough. The TRX, as it sits, is unique enough, and looks particularly fantastic in Serrano green. Stellantis knows how to build performance vehicles that excite its passionate customer base. The Ram TRX is no different and relies on the tried-and-true formula: lots of noise, lots of power, and a quality cabin environment where you'd be happy to spend long hours behind the wheel. What makes the TRX special this go-around is its ability to offer a similar experience as Ford's Raptor R for quite a bit less. A six-figure truck is still a hilarious proposition, but undercutting your only competition by more than 10% is impressive. TRX fans will be more than happy to tout the impressive power rating, off-road capability, and potential budgetary savings to any Raptor R owner willing to listen. Or, if they don't want to listen, just mash the throttle and let the supercharger whine drown out whatever they have to say.